Welcome back, my kiddos. How are you all? Great. I hope you all are enjoying at home. And washing your hands daily. Great. So, and also revising the rhymes or whatever the videos I'm sending to you. And I think I've told you earlier that when you get up in the morning, just join your hand and prayer. And pray daily, God, please take away this corona away. Why? Because tell them that we have to go to school, our new big school. I want to meet my new teachers. I want to meet my new friends. Daily prayer to God, and God will listen to you. When you pray in the morning or when you go to bed, before that you pray, God listen, and God always listen to the little ones. Why? Because God, you all are God's favorite friends. You are favorite, and God will definitely listen to you. So whenever you get up in the morning, do prayer. Join your hands, do the prayer which I am sending you daily, and say, God, please take away this corona. We have to enjoy, we have to go out, we have to go in the park, we have to go to our big school, we have to play on swings. Whatever you want to do, just every day pray God. Okay? Great. So now we'll revise one more time the body parts. Okay? Now see, what is this? This is a boy. Now let's see what all boys. We'll see the different parts of the body. Okay? What is this? This is head. Head. And what are these? Black. This is hair. Okay, what are these? These two are eyes. And what do we do with eyes? We see with our eyes. We see beautiful nature. We see different things. If you are watching my videos with your eyes, what is this? Forehead. And your grandma and your mama, they put round bindi. Okay? And what is the shape of that bindi? It's circle. Round circle bindi. And what are these? These are two ears. Great. And what is this? Nose. What is this? Nose. What is this? Mouth. And what we have inside our mouth? Teeth. You have to brush your teeth daily. In the morning also, and before going to bed at night. Why? If you will not brush, then there will be cavities in your teeth. So first, eat less chocolates, but brush your teeth twice a day. Okay? What are these? Your papa must be these. What are these? Pull your cheeks. These are two cheeks. And what is this? Chin. What is this? Chin. Great. And these two are, what are these? These two are shoulders. They are shoulders. And how many hands we have? We have two hands. Okay. 1, 2. We have two hands. Great. And what are these? Hands now. And what? We have two arms and two hands. And how many fingers we have? Let's count fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We have 10 fingers. How many fingers? 10 fingers. What is this? This is our elbow. This is our stomach. What is this? Stomach. Whatever we eat, it goes in a stomach. Great. Now, what is this? Leg. These are two legs. You know how legs help us? We jump through legs, we walk through legs. It helps us to walk, it also helps us to jump, it helps us to hop. Okay, what are these two? These are 2 feet. We have 2 feet. And how many toes we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We have 10 toes. We have 10 toes in our feet. 10 toes. Great. So, let's learn once again. Head, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, cheeks, chin, neck, shoulder, arms, hand, fingers, leg, and this is knee. We have 2 feet and 10 toes. Great. So what you have to do, okay, you also do one thing. May I tell Mama to make a small drawing for you, and then you will tell her that what all this. Or you can stand in front of the mirror and just touch your body parts. Okay, head, hair, eyes, and do send me your video. Okay, you will enjoy by doing that. If you stand in front of the mirror, you will definitely enjoy doing that while you will revise all your body parts. Great. So now let's see one video, and you will definitely love it, because there are friends of mine which wants to dance with you again. So let's watch that video and enjoy. But take care. Okay, we'll come back.
Nose, mouth, ears, chin, arms, hands, fingers, legs, feet, toes. This is me. Here we go. My head, my eyes, my nose. This is me. My mouth, my ears, my chin. This is me. This is me, this is me, this is me. Arms, hands, fingers, legs, feet, toes. My arms, my hands, my fingers, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My legs, my feet, my toes, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is me. Here we go. This is me. 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 This is me, 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 this is me.
Welcome back. Did you enjoy that triumph? Okay. So did you see? There are so many kids, and all body parts are favorite of them. You know? Great, because they each and every body part, they help us in some or the other way. Good. Like eyes help us to see, ears help us to hear, nose help us to smell, mouth help us to speak, to eat, and hands, they help us to write, and legs help us to dance. You can also dance with your legs now. Great. And shoulders, you can shake your shoulders, and you can wiggle with your fingers, you can snap with your fingers also, and you can clap with your hands, and also you can blink your eyes like this, like the ma'am is doing. You will enjoy if you do all these things. And if you stand in front of the mirror, do all these things. Blink your eyes, snap your fingers, clap with your hands, wiggle like this, jumping, hopping, do everything. great. But stay at home and stay safe. Eat healthy food and help your papa and mama. And don't forget to pray God in the morning and before going to bed. So by then, bye-bye. Take care. But do revise body parts and don't forget to send me videos. Whatever I'm sending you, whether it's a craft, it's a dance, it's a prayer, do send me videos. I'm waiting for you. Some of your friends are sending me. So I want you all to send me videos. Bye-bye. Take care. All the best.